Hi people, my name is Sergio. I'm a teacher from Uruguay in South America. I make a lot of games in Scratch, but this is my first video in English. I hope enjoy that. I make a game about a fish and a shark, so I delete the cat. I chose a background, outdoors, and I search a sea, underwater. Yes, it's good. And I chose two sprites, a fish and a shark. Picking the cat, pick animals, pick fish. Where are you? Here. Okay, I like this fish, like Nemo. And I pick in the cat, animals, and this is a shark. Yes, it's good. Okay, the fish is too big. I can reduce it. Select fish, size 50. Okay. Well, we can move the fish with the arrows. So let's go to programming that. I go to controls, to events, okay, and when the up arrow key pressed, I point in direction null. Yes, okay, and I move 5 steps. In this game, the steps is the velocity of the fish. If you want the fish move more fast, you can change this value, put 10. Okay. If you press up key, the fish move up. So we can duplicate that. Duplicate, up, down arrow, 180, okay, duplicate, left arrow, and duplicate, right arrow. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. But I don't like that the fish turn around. So we can select direction and we can select don't rotate. Okay. Okay, it's more good. More better. Sorry. And the shark, we can program in the shark. The shark always point to the fish, so we can program it that with event when green flag clicked forever, and in motion point towards the fish. We can see that if you move the fish, the shark point to the fish. Okay, that's good. But the shark needs to move, so we can put block move down. Okay, but 10 steps is more faster. 2 steps. More slowly, please. Okay. Okay. and don't rotate, or only left and right. Oh, okay, that's good. Well, the shark have two costumes. No, two, three costumes. We can delete that. We can delete this, and we can play with these two costumes. I like the fish beat. I like the shark beat the fish. Okay, we can program it that. Event, when green flag clicker, repeat. No, not repeat, forever. And in looks, next costume, and at control, wait 1 second. Well, okay, that's more good. Okay, I like that the game start. The shark is placed in this corner, and the fish placed in that corner. So we can program it that. Controls. No control. Events. When flag clicked, motion, go to X and Y. This number show the position at the screen. Okay. Events. Motion, and go to X and Y. Okay. Then when I touch the flag, the shark and the fish are ready to start the game. Okay. Well, and when the shark touch the fish hide. O sea, the shark eat the fish. We can do this. We can go to the fish. When clicked, forever, if the fish touching the shark, at looks, the fish hide. But if I'm using hide block at the start of the programming code, I need to show the fish. Okay. Let's go. Okay, that's good. Well, we can improve this game, and we can draw a door or put other object. When the fish touch the object, converts in a more powerful sprite like Pac-Man and did the shark, or when touch a door the game's end. It's good, and I can use a clock, a and a timer. We can use a timer, and when the timer arrive to 10, the game finish. That's good. You can do it. That. Okay. See you soon.